Hey, something really exciting's happened for me this week. I've actually got my first published children's book that's come in the mail. I've self-published with KDP. So these are my KDP books, and I'm quite happy with it. It is pretty neat to see my creation story all put. And I love the size of the pictures. You know, it'll be great for teachers who are teaching kids as well as grandmas and moms and dads. So this is my KDP ones that have come in. And then today I also got IngramSpark. So I went ahead and put some on that as well. So here are my IngramSpark copies. So they're on both those platforms. And this one looks great as well with all the pictures. And you know what's really neat about this? I learned how to do this QR code thing. So come a little closer. So what I do is in this book, it's very interactive. So at the back, I put QR codes. So do you see that there? So if you take your camera and hover over that, it'll bring you to YouTube where I have a video.
Then God said,
to go with
fish.
The book.
Swimming.
So that is my creation adventure.
Swimming.
So you would read the book, and then the kids can do the drama and the acting that goes with it. And I made the pictures, if you look here, look the same that are in the book. So do you see that? So they mimic the book, and the creation adventure goes with it. Isn't that cool? Then the other thing I put back here within the book is another QR code. In the book, you'll also find this little thing here, which is the song in the book. So, and it's also in the book. So if you look here, there it is. And there's the QR code as well. You can do it. And just so the book, I've made it so that it's really interactive. And there's also one more little prayer that is in the book. So I'm very excited. It really is. It's been a huge learning curve, but I really hope it'll be a help to you as you teach the kids about creation and about how God created everything for a beautiful purpose and reason, and that they're special too. So, and I'll put all the links, I guess, and where you find these sort of books or where you buy it. I've kept it really cheap. I don't make much on it at all, so that it can be really affordable for you to use with kids. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I really appreciate your support and your encouragement. Bye.